Hello children, how are you all? Hope that all of you are fine. So this is your third session of 4th class computer. Our first chapter is computer devices, memory and storage. In this lesson already we discussed about input, output, processing devices, computer memory and storage devices. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about the primary and secondary devices. So the computer memory is mainly divided into two: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory means that is the internal memory of a computer, and secondary memory means that is the external memory of a computer. Okay, then the primary memory, that is internal memory, is divided into two types, that is RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory and ROM means read only memory. Then the secondary memory is again, that is a external memory that we can store in storage devices. Memory storage devices like floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, like that, any of the secondary storage devices. Okay, so what are the primary storage devices? RAM and ROM. Then secondary storage devices are floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. Then now let's see what are the applications of a computer. Now we are using computer everywhere, like banks, hotels, education, science and technology, hospitals, entertainment, etc. Now let's check it one by one. First one, banks. Computers are used in banks to make transactions with the clients that may include deposits, withdrawals, money transfers, ATM transactions, etc. Hotels. In hotels, computers help to maintain records of guests, make bills, check security at back and front office, etc. Third one is education purpose. Teachers teach their students at schools and colleges using computers. Computers also help in making report cards, library records, etc. Then fourth one, science and technology. Invention and innovations play a vital part in our daily lives. New products and gadgets coming up almost every day would not be possible without a computer. Next one is hospitals. Doctors use computers in hospitals to operate on patients. Health reports and records are also made using computers. Next, entertainment. Computers are used to put special effects in pictures and songs. We can view a movie, listen to our favorite song, play games and do so much more using a computer. There are numerous other applications of computers about which you will know in higher classes. Then now we are going to check the differences between data and information. Okay, what is the difference between data and information? Here one table is given, data versus information comparison chart. What is the meaning of data? Data is raw, unorganized facts that need to be processed. Data can be something simple and seemingly random and useless until it is organized. Then what is information? When data is processed, organized, structured or presented in a given context so as to make it useful, it is called information. Then what is the example of a data? Each student's test score is one piece of data. Then example of information, the average score of a class or of the entire school is information that can be derived from the given data. That is called information. So that is the main difference between data and information. Now see, these are the some new words from the lesson or words to remember. Okay. Then now let's move to the exercise part. First one, multiple choice question. First one, microphone is a input device. Second one, plotter is an output device. Third one, dash is the part of a computer where data is stored. Where we are storing the data? In memory. So answer is memory. Then fourth one, dash MB make 1 gigabyte. Answer is 1024. Fifth one, RAM is a dash storage device. RAM is a primary storage device. Then next one is fill in the blanks. First question, pen drive is a portable device used to store data. Second one, CPU contains ALU, MU, CU. What is ALU? Arithmetic and logic unit. MU means memory unit and CU means control unit. Then third one, a calculator is an example of RAM. Then fourth one, the binary memory is kept on silicon chips. Then fourth one is the primary memory is kept on silicon chips. Then fifth one, hard drive is the most common secondary storage device. Okay. Then let's move to the question answer session. Chapter 1, computer devices, memory and storage. So children, it is to inform you that well in advance that all the textual exercises and question answers must be completed and should submit me on the reopening day. Okay. Then answer the following questions. Question number 1, name 2 input devices and 2 output devices. Which are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Then which are the output devices? Printer and speaker. Second question, what is a processing unit? Answer is CPU box is the processing unit of a computer where all calculations are done to get the desired output. Question number 3, name 2 types of memory. Answer is primary memory and secondary memory. Question number 4, what is computer memory and how is it measured? Answer is memory is the part of a computer where data is stored and its unit of measurement is byte. Question number 5, write a brief note on storage devices. Data can be stored in the storage devices like CD or DVD, USB flash drive, multimedia card, etc. Okay. So let's wind up the session. See you tomorrow.